Now we'll discuss how these commands are going to be used for a table, right? So while creating a database, we know that it is equivalent to a folder. Now it is our job to create a file and to modify a file and to delete a file. So now how we are going to do is, so we have actually I have used a command called create database DDL exercise 1, right? So I have created. I am supposed to get inside that folder, so use DDL ex1. So this means that I got inside that database. Inside the database, I just want to create a table, create table, table name I want to specify. See, we are going to create a table called student. Assume create table, table name is student. What I am going to have it here is, I am going to use a student name as one of the field. I need to specify what is its type. So the type I am going to use is varchar of size 15. So I am going to give the size of this. I am putting comma so that it is getting continued and it is not the end of the statement. So the next attribute I am going to use is roll number of type, let it be, it is of integer of size 8. Assume that it is of size 8, followed by, I just want to have his date of birth, which is of type date, right? Then I just want to have a subject name, so FCUB1, which is of type int, and the mark of this is going to be in 3 digit if it is maximum 100, followed by subject 2 of type int, which is of size 3. So with this I am closing the table, in the sense my table consists of student name, roll number, date, subject 1, subject 2, mark. So I am putting this parenthesis is meant for the parenthesis which I have used for specifying the attributes. Then I need to specify a semicolon for end of the statement. So this means that a table is created. I just want to view how this table looks like, or I just want to get the structure of the table now. So I am going to use a command called describe. Describe, what is the student name? Student. Describe student. So now you come to know that this is what the structure of your table, what you created. So you have got a student name, a roll number, a date of birth, subject 1, subject 2. So after creating or viewing this, I came to know that I haven't created any field which is going to be a not null value. Now I thought that I can have a roll number which is said to be a not null, right? So this can happen only by doing a command called alter. So what I am going to do here is a alter command. Alter table, the name is student, which I want to modify, right? Modify, what I want to modify? Subject 1, no, roll number. Roll number of type int of 3, which has to be modified to not null, right? Now I just want to see whether it is right. So use the same describe command to get the structure, modified structure. Now you can visualize that the roll number is now set to not null or no null, right? So we had modified a constraint set on a particular attribute. Now I just want to change the subject to be more specific, that is your subject 1 and subject 2 be to English and Tamil, or let it be some DBMS and data structures, right? So I want to use a command alter table student, which I want to change, right? So I just want to change, which I want to change subject 1 to DBMS, right, of size int of 3. We'll see how this works. Same way, I just want to modify your subject 2 to data structures DS. So now we'll describe, you came to know that the attributes are renamed to be DBMS and data structures. Now what I want is, I don't want this data structure. I just want to drop this column or delete this column. Alter table student drop DS, which is of size int of 3, right? I don't want this, some error, sorry. Add, delete, sorry. Okay, now to delete a column, the command is alter table name followed by drop the column name, right? So when I want to check it whether it is deleted, I just use describe command so that the column DS is deleted, right? Now I want to insert a column. So to insert a column, the command is alter table name followed by add. What I want to add? I just want to add a subject called data structures of type int of size 3, just it. So it will be appended after DBMS, right? Now I want to insert a subject between DBMS and data structures. Can you get it? In the sense, your DBMS and data structure are next to next. Now I want some other subject to be in between this. So the command for this is alter table add. Which subject you want to add? Your computer organization, which is of size int 3, after which after your DBMS, right? DBMS. Now we'll see the describe command. See, your computer organization is in between this, right? Now I want to have one more column which is at the beginning. I know how to add it at the end just by using a add command. So it will add it to the end. When I want to add in between this, I can specify after. When I want to put it in first, I can use same command. Say we'll use a serial number, right? SNO of type int 3 FI or ST. So I just want to put it in the first as a first column. So when I use a describe command, I'll get serial number followed by name, roll number, date of birth, DBMS, CO and DS. Now I came to know that how to alter a constraint, how to change the column name, how to add a column, that too at the end, in between, in the first, and how to delete a column, right? With this we came to know how to work with the tables. In earlier tutorial we came to know how to work with the database. With these examples you are supposed to complete the exercise given in laboratory session 1. Thank you.